Hey y'all, so my makeup is not finished, so I look crazy, but I wanted to unbox this hair with you guys on camera. So it's from Lavy hair. It comes packaged like this. They give you care instructions and a wig cap. Very simple, sleek, straight to the point packaging. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, I look crazy. I'm gonna be quiet. Just check out this hair. I'm gonna get into it. So it's looking crazy right now, but trust the process. I just want to say that these two combined will keep your wig on for, I'm going to say, up to like 6 days. I've had a wig on using these two. As you guys seen, I just went in and adhered it down with this first, and then I'm going to seal everything in and melt everything using this. I'll link everything down below in my description box. So I'm going to fix my part up and let me. I'm watching Aaliyah face. I love her. But I'm going to go ahead and fix my part up. You guys know how to do that. So I'm going to do that off camera. I'm going to let my hair air dry and I'm going to come back and give you guys my final thoughts about this unit and let you guys see how it looks once It has air dried with product on it, so if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Ooh, I'm back. It's been about an hour, maybe an hour and 15 minutes. This hair is completely dry. Let me come up so you can get into this curl. Like, this is kind of like a, I think it's a loose wave, y'all. Let me see what kind of curl pattern this is. So this is Lavy Hair's Brazilian 180% density deep wave. Oh my gosh, if you get this in a long length, baby, it's gonna give. But I love it in this natural length. This is 14 inches, and I think this is perfect for every day, and it's perfect if you want to do like a cute little updo style. You know, the options are there. So yes, let me see how much this will cost. I also will have a coupon code linked down below, so be sure to check that out. If you get 10 inches, it's under $100. It's $92. But if you get 14 inches like myself, $118. And then if you use my coupon code, you're in the game. No smell or anything, straight out the package. This is one of my all-time favorite companies. I have worked with them, I don't know how many times in the past, but their curly hair, everything. I had a body wave unit from them that lasted me over 5 years. They have some good quality hair. So anytime you can get a unit and it's from overseas and you can install it straight out of the package, even though I don't suggest that, I usually typically wash it, but you know, we do what we got to do. And I need to do my hair today, okay? So, but yeah, with all that being said, you don't have to worry about any foul smell or anything. So 5 out of 5. They give you all of your length. For 14 inches, it's kind of giving like 16 inches if you ask me. If you wanted to, you can go in and straighten this hair, and then when you wash it, the waves will bounce back. Love the luster of this unit. As far as the density being 180%, just let me give you angles. Very nice and full, but not too full. I do feel like it's giving more of like 150, 160% density. But it's definitely as full as I desire my units to be, especially this length, because I don't like my short units to be too full. Let me know down below how you feel about this unit. Be sure to follow me on, I'm gonna link my new Snapchat down in the description box because I abandoned my other one. But yeah, follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, or friend me up on Facebook. And if you ever have any questions, I can get back to you sooner there. But yeah, y'all, let me know how you feel. I'm feeling really, really cute. The length, the texture is just giving me everything I need. Lavy hair information will be in my description box. Thank you guys so much for working with me again. And until my next video, you guys. See you guys later. Bye. Love you, love you, love you.